we're going to be finding the volume of cones. So volume is found by 1/3 area of the base times height. But again, because we know we have a circle, our base is always going to be pi r squared. Again, this will come up again later, this 1/3 area of the base times height. So that's why I always tell you that one. We can think that we know that the area of the base is pi r squared. So let's go ahead and try an example. Volume is equal to 1/3 area of the base times the height. So 1/3 area of my base. My base is a circle, so it's going to be pi times the radius squared times the height. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of work here because I need to know this height here. But notice I do have a right triangle. Okay, I know this part is 4, the hypotenuse is 5. I need to solve for this missing leg. So I can do x squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. And I can solve to get that x equals 3. Okay, or you could recognize, remember I told you to think about those special right triangles, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Those are the more famous triples. Okay, so I know that my height there is 3. Now I can just multiply everything together and I get 16 pi cubic units. Again, because we're doing volume, we're thinking about the number of cubes that can sit inside that cone.